Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we will explore the potential and challenges of Auto-GPT, the importance of finding product-market fit for sustainable startups, and how design-driven development can enhance user experience. Stay tuned for an insightful discussion. What is Auto-GPT, and why are we witnessing a surge of interest and skepticism around this new AI tool? Today, we delve into the world of Auto-GPT, examining its capabilities, limitations, and the broader implications for AI research and development. At the heart of the discussion is Auto-GPT, a technology designed to showcase the potential of GPT-4, the latest iteration in OpenAI's language models. It's an experimental AI tool intended to perform tasks autonomously, from conducting internet research to generating content. However, as we peel back the layers, it becomes clear that Auto-GPT, despite its advancements, is not without its shortcomings. One of the most pressing issues with Auto-GPT is its prohibitive cost. The technology operates through a series of thought chains, each requiring a call to the GPT-4 model. With each step potentially maxing out tokens, the cost for completing a single task can quickly escalate to $14.4. This financial barrier raises questions about the practicality of Auto-GPT in real-world applications, where efficiency and cost-effectiveness are paramount. Moreover, Auto-GPT's approach to problem-solving reveals a significant inefficiency. Currently, there is no mechanism to serialize the chain of actions into a reusable function for later use. This means that for every new task or a minor change in requirements, users must start from scratch, incurring the full cost again. This not only wastes resources, but also contradicts how we typically tackle problems in the real world, where solutions are iteratively improved and reused. Another limitation of Auto-GPT is its reliance on vector databases for accelerating k-nearest neighbor (KNN) searches. While intended to provide a memory effect by retrieving earlier chains of thoughts, this approach has been criticized as overkill. Given the cost constraints and the efficiency of exhaustive searches, the use of vector databases in Auto-GPT seems excessive and unnecessary. Users have also reported various technical shortcomings, from the inability of Auto-GPT to handle complex problems effectively to the frustration of encountering the maximum content length exceeded message. These limitations not only dampen user experience, but also challenge the notion of Auto-GPT as a comprehensive solution. Beyond these technical and financial hurdles, Auto-GPT grapples with ethical considerations. Like any AI system, it is prone to generating incorrect or nonsensical responses and may inadvertently propagate biases or societal issues due to the data it was trained on. These challenges underscore the need for ongoing scrutiny and ethical oversight in AI development. Despite these obstacles, Auto-GPT's emergence has sparked a fascinating dialogue about the future of AI. It represents a step forward in the development of generative agent systems, pointing to a future where AI can autonomously perform complex tasks. However, the journey is fraught with hype and inflated expectations, reminding us of the importance of fostering a nuanced understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations. As we navigate this evolving landscape, it's crucial to maintain a critical perspective, questioning narratives and striving for informed discussions. By doing so, we can ensure that our exploration of AI technologies like Auto-GPT is grounded in reality, paving the way for meaningful advancements that truly benefit humanity. In conclusion, the buzz around Auto-GPT serves as a dual-edged sword, offering glimpses of AI's potential while exposing the challenges that lie ahead. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, let us remain vigilant, informed, and thoughtful, ensuring that our pursuit of innovation is matched by a commitment to responsibility and ethical consideration. Now, let's move on to discussing how startups can achieve sustainable growth by prioritizing product market fit. What is the secret to building a sustainable startup without running out of runway? This question plagues many founders and growth strategists in the early stages of their business ventures. The answer, quite intriguing, lies in balancing the pursuit of growth with the foundational quest for product market fit, PMF. Today, we'll embark on a journey to unravel this delicate equilibrium, drawing from real-world scenarios and strategic insights. At the heart of many startup struggles is the intense pressure to grow, often coming from investors, founders, or the sheer reality of a ticking clock on their financial runway. This pressure can lead to a common pitfall, deprioritizing PMF work in favor of immediate growth efforts. It's a story as old as time, or at least as old as the startup ecosystem, but it's one that bears repeating. Without PMF, growth is not just hard, it's unsustainable. But how do startups navigate this challenge? Let's break it down. First, it's essential to understand that PMF is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's the foundation upon which sustainable growth is built. Think of it like bouldering, a form of rock climbing on short routes without a rope. The key to conquering a boulder problem isn't sheer strength, but rather the strategic positioning and planning of your route. Startups, too, must sometimes take a step back, reassess their approach, and find the most viable path to the top. This means occasionally pausing growth efforts to solidify their PMF. However, this doesn't mean growth should be ignored altogether. On the contrary, growth activities can and should be used as a research tool to inch closer to PMF. Setting more modest growth targets can allow a startup to use its main channels not just for expansion, but as a litmus test for PMF. This approach requires a delicate balance, a dance between pushing forward and stepping back to reflect. For instance, consider Dugos, a company specializing in lenses that block blue and green light to improve sleep and well-being. Faced with the challenge of finding PMF for 3 different lenses, the founder had to make a strategic decision: focus on testing all 3 with a specific target audience, or concentrate on the lens with the most potential. Opting for the latter, Dugos was able to streamline its efforts towards finding PMF for its most promising product, illustrating the importance of focused experimentation in the quest for PMF. Testing doesn't stop at products. Exploring different markets and tweaking language are equally crucial in identifying PMF. For example, Heights, a brain supplement company, tested various markets by creating multiple landing pages and ad setups to pinpoint their ideal audience. Through rigorous experimentation and audience testing, Heights discovered that cognitive decline was a compelling angle for their product, despite initial high acquisition costs. This iterative process of testing and learning is vital for startups aiming to find their PMF. In the realm of language testing, the same principles apply. By experimenting with different messaging and closely monitoring engagement, startups can uncover the language that resonates most with their target audience. This was the case with Heights, which found that focusing on pain points in their messaging significantly improved their language market fit. Ultimately, the journey to finding PMF is not a linear path, but a cyclical process of growth, learning, and refinement. It's about understanding that while you can't focus on growth and PMF simultaneously, you can use growth as a vehicle to discover your PMF. This approach not only extends your startup's runway, but also ensures that when you do hit that growth spurt, it's built on a solid foundation of PMF. In closing, remember the analogy of the bucket with holes. Without PMF, any effort to grow is akin to pouring water into a leaky bucket. But as you edge closer to finding your PMF, you begin to plug those holes, and suddenly, growth becomes not just possible, but exponential. So, to all the startup founders and growth strategists out there, focus on finding your PMF. It's the secret to building a startup that doesn't just fly, but soars. Now, let's explore how design-driven development can enhance user experience and functionality in product creation. Welcome to today's podcast, where we delve into a pivotal question reshaping the landscape of software development. What is design-driven development, DDD? Today, we'll unpack this approach that prioritizes user experience and functionality, moving design from an afterthought to the driving force behind product creation. This isn't merely about aesthetics, it's about understanding, empathizing with, and delivering solutions that resonate deeply with end users. Imagine a world where your software not only looks good but feels intuitive, almost second nature to its users. This is the heart of design-driven development. It ensures that products not only meet but exceed user expectations, significantly reducing revisions and accelerating the time to market. But how does this approach work, and what challenges does it face in the real-world scenario? Let's explore. Consider the fictional startup FitStride, aiming to revolutionize fitness tracking for urban walkers. The traditional development approach might start with a core algorithm and then wrap a basic user interface around it. However, this method risks assumptions about the end product that might not align with user needs, leading to potential redesigns or undoings. FitStride chooses a different path, one dictated by DDD. It begins with comprehensive user research to understand the unique needs of urban walkers, leading to the development of an interface that allows users to categorize their walks and even suggest routes based on their intended pace and mood. This approach, guided by user needs from the outset, results in a product that's not only functionally innovative, but also deeply resonate with its target audience. The process of DDD unfolds in several phases, starting with user research. This stage involves surveys, interviews, and the creation of user personas and journey maps, all aimed at understanding the pain points, needs, and aspirations of the user base. Following this, the requirement gathering phase narrows down these insights, guiding the design decisions. Collaboration between stakeholders is crucial here to align everyone's vision. The subsequent design and ideation phase sees a cross-functional team brainstorming on solutions, leading to the creation of wireframes and mock-ups. Prototyping and user testing then bring these designs to life, allowing for real user feedback that informs further refinement. However, the journey of DDD isn't without its challenges. Striking a balance between aesthetics and utility, ensuring seamless designer-developer handoffs, and overcoming organizational silos are significant hurdles. Solutions range from prioritizing functionality, implementing regular communication touchpoints, to fostering a culture of cross-functional collaboration. Enhancing the DDD process, UXPin's merge technology emerges as a game-changer. It facilitates a code-to-design workflow, allowing designers to import code components directly into the design process. This not only bridges the gap between design and development, but also ensures prototypes accurately reflect the final product, paving the way for more informed iterations and cohesive communication among stakeholders. In conclusion, design-driven development represents a paradigm shift in how we approach software creation. By placing user needs and experiences at the forefront, it not only fosters products that truly resonate with end users, but also streamlines the development process, ensuring quicker time to market and fewer revisions. As we've seen through the example of FitStride and the detailed process of DDD, this approach not only benefits the end users, but also the creators, offering a roadmap to developing software that's not just functional, but truly impactful. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the EnlightMe app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.